A civil authority has issued earthquake warning for the following counties or areas. Jefferson, Oregon. At 7:41 p.m. on July 25, 2026, effective until 10:41 p.m. Wildfire alert from Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. The evacuation level for the western side of the following zones: NW 17, 14, and 13 from north of Dogwood and following NW-Coops up to the Warden Springs border has been upgraded from level 2 to a level 3. Go now. Evacuate immediately. There is significant danger in your area. If you need evacuation assistance, call 541-384-2080. Leave immediately.